everyone, I'm Peggy and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm going to show you a tutorial about a sweet dress for summer. Are you ready to crank up the volume? Voluminous midi dress that makes statement for this feminine summer trend, and it will slot easily into your summer wardrobe. Give your dress a touch of drama in this summer and opt for a frocks with voluminous tear. This frock can easily be dressed up or down. Give them a casual, everyday touch by wearing them with flat slender or sneakers. I made this dress with slim sling to look little sexy. And for the skirt part, I make it with flange slightly shorter than the back to bring up the drama in feminine. I wish you guys will like this dress, and let's get started. hope you enjoy this video. I hope this will inspire you to make some sweet dress for your summer. If you enjoy this video, then be sure that give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. Have a lovely day and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!